Recharging your Optus Prepaid mobile is essential to stay connected. Optus Prepaid plans offer flexible options for budget-conscious users without long-term contracts. As of October 25, the primary methods include Vouchers, the My Optus app, and auto recharge features. Recharging adds credit for voice calls, SMS, and data usage. All methods process instantly within minutes with minimal fees. Bonuses like extra data are often included for recharges over $20. The main recharging methods are Vouchers, the My Optus app for digital convenience, and auto recharge for automatic top-ups. Let's start with the simplest method, Vouchers. Vouchers come in denominations from $10 to $100. Digital vouchers are purchased online and redeemed instantly via QR code or code entry. Physical vouchers, available at retailers like Kohl's and Woolworths, require scratching to reveal the code before redemption. Vouchers come in digital and physical forms.